In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change template on Wix website while keeping the premium features and connected domain. So it is really easy and a straightforward process. So first of all, we have to create a new site. Then we'll be able to assign premium features and our domain to it because there is no inbuilt option of changing template. Firstly, we have to create a new site, and to do that, tap on create new site on the wix.com. Once you tap on it, then it will show you this window on the new tab. So I'm just gonna click on setup without chat, and now I'm gonna skip this setup. After that, it will prepare our dashboard, and now you can see this is the website dashboard here. On the Wix website dashboard, we need to click on design site. Then it will give you two options. If you wanna design your site using AI, then for that you can go with the first option, which is generate a design. You just have to describe your site and then AI will design your site. But I prefer this option, which is choosing a template. So you can browse through thousands of templates and pick the one you like. So I'm just gonna go with this one. Just click on pick a template, and now you can see all of the templates on Wix. So these are the all templates. So I want a pizza restaurant template. So for that I need to go to top and then search here pizza like so. And then you can see I can see different types of pizza templates here. I wanna go with this one. I just need to hover over it and then I can click on edit. Now it will open that template on Wix editor. And on this editor, I can replace the text, I can change the image here. So basically I can add my own content here. And in case you want to copy paste your old website template, then for that you can just copy all the elements from your previous website and paste them on your new template here. In case you want to add any element or any button on this page, then for that click on the plus icon and you can add any of the element you want. If you want to see the mobile view, then for that click on the mobile view icon. You can see there is no domain connected yet, so I'll show you how to connect the domain in later half of the video. So basically you can customize everything here. If you want to switch your page, then the page can be switched from here. Now firstly we need to publish this website and then we'll be able to connect our domain. So to publish our website, we need to click on publish from the top right corner. Now we wanna go back to the first site, which is my sites on Wix, and here you can see a new site has been added, which is pizza store. Now I wanna transfer all of these premium features and I want to connect this domain to this new site. So basically we want to change the template. So for that we need to click on the three dots. After that it will show you bunch of options. From these options we wanna select this one, which is reassign plan, and make sure that this option will only appear on the premium site. Like you can see, this is the premium site. That's why I'm getting this option here. Now to reassign it, we need to click on reassign plan, and then it will show you this new window. On this window, we need to select the site where we want to assign all of these premium features and the domain. So you can also search for it. So I can see the site here. I just need to select it and then click on next. Now it will take some loading time. And after that it will show you all of the changes that will be made on your site, such as the old template will lose all of the premium features and the domain will be assigned from your old site to the new one. If you want to confirm it, then for that click on assign, and you can see the premium features are now transferred from this site to this one and the domain has been changed as well. So this is the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.